Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique and amazing crafts. Let's see what are we going to create today. So we have got the cutouts of a flower like this, and then we have created another flower and then joining with the help of these sticks and then making a beautiful lovely garden in this way. Isn't it looking amazing? Keep on proceeding. With the help of the black marker, you have to create drawings like this. You have to make it further. Let's see what are we going to make. Make the claws and all that. Now paste the leaves like this in this pattern as we are doing here. Keep on pasting this of different shades, leaves of different shades, and then the grasses of these patterns. Again on the top of it, you have to paste the leaves all around. And then with the help of it, you have made a beautiful lovely peacock. Right? Beautiful, isn't it? Keep on proceeding further and let's see what are we going to do now. What you have to do, you have to take a plastic cup and then get the cutouts in this manner and then spread it further. You have to roll these parts in this manner one by one and let's see what are we going to get. In the between, you have to color it with the help of yellow color and then get a stick and then the leaves of two. Paste it further and your flower pot is ready. Pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do. Again you have to make a pot like this, get the heart shape pattern and then on it you have to paste it further, the two wings, and then with the help of this, yes, your flower pot is ready. Looking super amazing and pretty. You should definitely try it on your own. Now what you have to do, you have to get the creases of paper like this by folding it in this manner and then you have to put it in this way so as to get an amazing result. Now let's see, you have to get a beautiful flowers like this. Now arrange it further. Now get the leaves as well, paste it all over it and then the flowers as well. Looking beautiful, right? Your flower bouquet. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we going to do next. Get the cutout of your hands and then fold the two fingers in between and then color it further. Now you have to join it in this manner, paste the heart shape patterns like this, looking pretty amazing. Now you have to take the egg tray and then get the cutouts like this. Again, what you have to do, you have to get the cutouts, make it look even in this manner as we have done. Now get the cutouts in this manner again and let's see what are we going to get in the end. Keep on making this and paste it as we are doing here. Keep on pasting this using beautiful lovely flower, right? Now paste it, make the flowers look like this and then these as well. Looking super pretty and amazing. You can just decorate it further, make it look like this and your drawing is definitely ready. Again on a bubble wrap sheet, you have to get the cutout like this and paint it further with the help of green shade and let's see how we are going to decorate it. Make the spikes like this, one over the other, and here in this way make the claws as well. Let's see what are we going to get. Yes, you have created a dinosaur. Isn't it pretty? Yes, you can further decorate it and get it look like this. In the end, you'll be amazed to see the result. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys.